Every printer might look the same to you, and if you aren't careful, you may end up purchasing a printer that doesn't suit your business's needs or causes problems in the long run. Luckily, this post covers everything you need to know when choosing the best printer for small business, including the factors to consider and the top picks on the market. So, let's dive in. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Color ImageCLASS MF7 for 3 CDW. This duplex all-in-one printer from Canon comes with wireless connectivity, allows you to scan digital files, and can be paired with almost any mobile device. Also, the Color ImageCLASS printer is perfect for your small business, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of paper handling. With a monthly page volume of 4,000 pages, this printer can easily support your printing needs. The ImageCLASS MF7 for 3 CDW can work with an extra 550 sheet paper cassette, and it also features a 50-sheet automatic document feeder (ADF) that supports simultaneous two-sided scanning. However, if your office space isn't large enough, this may not be the printer for your business. And the duplex printing could be faster. Number 2. ImageCLASS for 5DW. Are you running on a shoestring budget? Then, the Canon ImageCLASS for 5DW has the best price for your small business. This budget-friendly laser printer comes with all the functionalities you may need, including scanning, faxing, and copying features. You can also operate this printer via voice control by connecting it to any Alexa-enabled device. In addition, it comes with a touch control panel. And its fast print speed, 40 ppm for letters and 32 ppm for legal, makes it one of the best printers within its price range. The major downside to this printer is that it might not give off perfect print quality, especially if you're looking to print high-resolution images. It also doesn't feature color support. As such, if your business is design-oriented, this might not be the best option for you. Number 3. Brother MFC J4335DW. The Brother MFC J4335DW is one of the most compact printers for small businesses. This color inkjet printer comes with an automatic document feeder, a flatbed scanner, and supports voice control when paired with an Alexa device. Its superb hybrid cartridge tank system, the iNvestment tank, helps you save costs in the long run as it minimizes refills. Another outstanding aspect of this printer is its sturdy design. The Brother MFC is built to make reaching paper jams and ink cartridges easy. Moreover, the Brother MFC J4335DW is an excellent choice for many reasons. Its excellent build with a 1.8 color LCD, outstanding connectivity technology, and excellent mobile companion app. You'll also find its scanning feature super helpful, but the print quality and speed may not be the best. Also, it isn't the cheapest option on this list. Number 4. Kyocera 1102 TR2 US0 ECOSYS. If you want a printer that'll give you the best value for your money, then Kyocera 1102 TR2 US0 ECOSYS is the one. This printer can print, scan, fax and copy, and has a monthly print capacity of 275,000 pages. This means it can handle all the printing your small business may need to do per month. The sturdy design and fast print speed of 57 ppm for black and white printing also add to the many perks of this laser printer. With a DPI of 1200, the Kyocera ECOSYS is probably not the best printer for printing photos but will do a superb job if all you need to print is text. Moreover, the printer is built to last, making it one of the most cost-efficient on the market. So, while it may not be cheap, it's relatively affordable, and its multifunctionality makes it worth the extra bucks. Number 5. Brother Monochrome Laser Printer, HL L5100DN. The Brother Monochrome Laser Printer, HL L5100DN, is versatile with monoprinting and duplex printing. It has a printing speed of 40 pages per minute for monochrome print and 10 pages per minute for duplex, which is pretty fast for duplex printing. Moreover, the Brother Monochrome Laser Printer, HL L5100DN, is one of the most compact printers for small businesses, weighing just 10.7 kilograms and measuring 373 x 388 x 255 mm inches, HXWXD. This mono laser printer can yield up to 8,000 pages, has a paper capacity of 300 sheets, and provides crisp print quality with a print output of 1200 x 1,200 dpi. A potential drawback of the Brother Monochrome laser printer, L5100DN, is that it doesn't come with inbuilt Wi-Fi or a front USB port, and it can be noisy while in use. Also, the one-line LCD isn't as big as we would have liked. But, other than these, the Brother Monochrome laser printer is a pretty great deal for your money.